Recipe cigaree coffee chicken. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack.
Cigaree coffee chicken. Right? Remember, cigaree coffee chicken and some rice, cock soup. Yeah. Remember, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Now sprinkle the coffee on it, your peeps. Yeah. Remember, cigaree coffee chicken. So please like and share Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Remember, every time rise, every time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up sexy body girl, big up true warrior, and big up Father God first and the King. So peeps, remember the recipe are nice, eatable. The rice is shelly and nice, tastable, delicious, finger licking. Mouth around water, my peeps. See the rice there? Yes, the update on the cigaree coffee chicken, the peeps. The recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking. Peeps, remember, please like and share. Remember to subscribe to Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. The recipe, eatable, presentation, tastable, delicious, finger licking. Now I update there again, the peeps. You can see, yes, the recipe prepare. You can see the Irish chicken. See all I season them, green seeds and spice them there. Please like and share Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Tastable, delicious, finger licking.